Welcome to Little Paws Place. Have you ever felt overwhelmed during a dog walk, unsure of how to keep your furry friend safe and well-behaved? You're not alone. Today, we're going to master the art of safe dog walks with a simple trick that will transform your experience. Walking your dog should be a joyful bonding experience, but many pet owners struggle with issues like pulling, distractions, or even reactivity towards other dogs or people. Understanding why these behaviors occur is the first step to resolving them. Dogs are naturally curious and excited creatures. The first step in mastering safe dog walks is to assess your walking environment. Before heading out, take a moment to consider the surroundings. Identifying potential distractions allows you to prepare your dog for what's ahead. Next, let's talk about equipment. A well-fitted harness and a sturdy leash are essential for safe walks. Make sure the harness is snug but not too tight, allowing your dog to move comfortably. Now, it's time to teach your dog the watch me command. This is a simple yet powerful trick that helps redirect your dog's focus back to you during walks. Start by holding a treat near your face and saying watch me. When your dog makes eye contact, reward them with the treat. Incorporate regular breaks into your walks. This is particularly important if your dog is still learning how to behave on a leash. Find a safe spot to stop, give your dog a chance to sniff around, and practice commands like sit or stay. Practice loose leash walking. This means teaching your dog to walk beside you without pulling. When your dog starts to pull, stop walking and wait for them to return to your side. Finally, always be prepared for the unexpected. Carry a few essential items with you, such as treats and a portable water bowl. If you have an emergency profile or ID setup, it helps a finder return your dog faster. It's common for dog owners to rush through walks, focusing solely on getting exercise instead of enjoying the experience. Remember, walks are not just about physical activity, they are also about mental engagement and bonding. To recap, we've covered several actionable steps to ensure safe walks with your dog. Assess your environment, choose the right equipment, teach the watch me command, incorporate breaks, practice loose leash walking, and always be prepared for the unexpected. Thank you for joining us today at Little Paws Place. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more dog training tips. What's your biggest challenge when walking your dog? Let us know in the comments below. And if you'd like a deeper step-by-step guide, check out our Kindle ebooks from Little Paws Place Publishing in the description below.